Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Filecoin. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? Filecoin, Fil, has vigorously lost most of its value in the last year since its April 2021 high. In the last 6 months, bulls could barely initiate a sustainable rally and succumb to the long-term bearish trendline resistance, dashed. The alt now aim to enter into a tight phase in the $18-20 mark before testing its critical support and making a trend cometal move. At press time, Fil traded at $18.38, down by 2.37% in the last 24 hours. Over the past year, Fil lost more than 92% of its value, and witnessed a rather swift downturn. They all saw two descending triangles in the last 6 months as the bears displayed their one-sided dominance. Consequently, it fell below its near-term EMAs, while forming a statement of futures and options for the first quarter ends on the same day, and the allocation of futures and options for the next quarter also begins at this time. Before and after the settlement of derivatives, the price of the underlying asset often fluctuates sharply. Take Bitcoin as an example. At the beginning of the delivery, the price reached a low point below $52,000, and then rose back to the pre-delivery level, $60,000 line, within a week. Despite the large price fluctuations, the direct impact on the market is still minimal. From the perspective of historical volatility, the historical volatility of spot and futures is still steadily declining, indicating that the general market view has not been affected, and the failure of the organized short in March further proves that the anti-risk ability of mainstream digital assets is increasing on the daily, strengthening market confidence. From the perspective of market volume and skewness, the mainstream currency market is also an innovation. Now Gitcoin, the platform that rewards coders with crypto, is adding its support by hosting a fundraising campaign called GR13. Running from March 9 to March 24, GR13 is a pool of grants under the Gitcoin banner that includes a pool to benefit Ukraine. GR13 is the 13th quadratic funding round Gitcoin has launched, and Gitcoin co-founder Scott Moore tells Deckert it's part of our move to donate to more real-world causes. The Ukraine-specific pool of GR13 has raised just over $1 million in funding to support Ukraine as of Thursday evening. WEB3 projects Polygon, Algorand, ENDS, Uniswap, Ulm Puzdao, Nounzao, OpenSea, Radical, ZK Tech, and Open Gaming have all joined Gitcoin's GR13 initiative by offering matching funds of their own, in varying amounts. Nounzao, ENDS domains, and Filecoin are among the projects that have donated to the Ukraine pool, specifically. Will be available on PancakeSwap, PS, and Uniswap, US. As the demand for cross-chain transactions rises, Firepin, FRPN, looks to be in a great position to gain on other cryptos, while also providing significant value to its holders. Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos, Tez, are two such currencies that fared very well during their pre-sale, XTZ. With the Filecoin, Fil, pre-sales started in 2017, it had already generated more than $250 million United States dollars. The debut of Filecoin, Fil, was well worth it for investors. It jumped from $11.02 to $28.39 in its first week on CoinMarketCap, an increase of more than 150%. Filecoin hit a record high of $237.24 in April of 2021. The top price of the cryptocurrency marks a 4,600% gain from its ICO price of $5. As of its height, a $1,000 investment in Fil would have been valued at about $50,000. Tezos, XTZ, is another coin that started its pre-sale in 2017 and is one of the largest in cryptocurrency. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Fil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Phil Rate Prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil Price Prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin Price Prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin Course Forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil Price Prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil Price Prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin Price Prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin, Phil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57.